Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about arrays in Swift. Swift arrays are used to store ordered lists of values of the same type. Swift puts strict checking which does not allow you to enter a wrong type in an array, even by mistake. If you assign a created array to a variable, then it is always mutable, which means you can change it by adding, removing, or changing its items. But if you assign an array to a constant, then that array is immutable and its size and contents cannot be changed. Let's start Xcode and click on Get Started with the Playground. Choose blank, click Next. Type a file name, array, click Create. Let's declare a variable subjects. Math, physics, chemistry, and then print subjects.count, and then print first subject is, and then subject with index 0. You can retrieve a value from an array by using subscript syntax, passing the index of the value you want to retrieve within square brackets immediately after the name of the array. And when we execute this, so here you can see that first subject is math. Let's add a new subject, subject plus equals to accounting. And now the total subjects are 4. Let's copy this line. Change first to last and index subjects.count -1. So the last subject is accounting. Let's modify this accounting subjects index 3rd. Change this to computer. And the last subject is computer. For reading all the subjects in the array, for subject in subjects, print subject and here are the subjects: maths, physics, chemistry, and computer. We can define key in array like this: maths 40, physics 42, chemistry 41, and then a loop for subject and marks in subject, and then marks in subject are marks. Let's change this variable name to subjects, and here is the result: marks in physics, chemistry, and maths. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to the channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comment section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.